What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna create the awesome flower Paracord bracelet from this bunch of accord. We have red Paracord 550, the green and the purple. So we're gonna take the green first and take the ends, pull it, find the center, like so. And now from here we're gonna take the purple also by the ends, pull it and find the center. So from here we're gonna take, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. We're gonna take and cross this green cord. Important thing, the dimension of a paracord used in this tutorial, full dimension are down below the length of a paracord used below this video. Also, you can find in the information cards the tutorial for this awesome Paracord bracelet and many other useful tutorials, so go ahead and check cards and check the video description. So that being said, we're gonna take the purple, insert it through the loop, and then from the top side we're gonna insert those two cords through the loop of the purple cords. Now we're gonna take the purple paracord and we're gonna make it on top of the green, and from the back side through the gap between green and the purple. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and then we're gonna take the purple and make it under the green, and then from the top into the gap between green and the purple. So from the top into the gap, pull it, and now we're gonna take it and we're gonna make it tight. And from here we're gonna take the left strand purple, make it on top of the green, and from the back side through the gap between purple and the green. Now we're gonna make it tight, and then we're gonna take the purple and make it under the green, and from the back from the top side through the gap between green and the purple. Now from here we're gonna cross the green like so, and but on top of the purple. And now we're gonna take the purple and we're gonna make it from the top, so from the back around, and from the top through the gap between purple and the green, and with the left cord the same, in the gap and through. And now we're gonna tie it and we're gonna continue. So now from here we're gonna repeat the whole process. So we're gonna take the purple and make it from the back on top of the green, and then from the back side through the gap between purple and the green. So pull it to make it tight. Now under the green, and then around and from the top into the gap between green and the purple. So as you can see here, we almost reached the end of today's project. Now I'm gonna cut off this purple paracord, and then we're gonna insert the red paracord into these loops here, and then we're gonna finish with the diamond stop knot. So now we're gonna take the feed and the red paracord, and we're gonna insert it from the back. Let me just show you. So from the back through this loop here, and we're gonna leave some extra paracord aside, and now from the top into the loop here, and we're gonna pull it. And you can see we have the red crossing. Now we're gonna double cross, so from the back through here, and now from the top through. And we're gonna proceed. So again, from the back side through the loop, pull it a bit to get even, and then from the top into the loop. And now here we're gonna create the diamond knot, diamond stop knot, so we're gonna take this end of a cord and we're gonna twist it around like so, and then we're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna make it under the right cord, and then we're gonna pinch a bit here and we're gonna pull the cord through, and we're gonna form the carex band as you can see here. And now from here we're gonna take this end of a cord and we're gonna make it around under this end here, and where these cords exit the bracelet we're gonna enter the cord into the middle here, and with this end of a cord we're gonna take it and we're gonna enter in the middle where these cords exit, so here and through the middle. And from here we are just left to cut off the excess of a cord and we're finished, although we can insert a bit of a microcord. So here I'm gonna take around 5 or 6 inches of a microcord, cut it off, round this end a bit. And now we're gonna make it from the back side, on top, around and through. So here we're gonna create the basic Solomon knot or a cobra weave, as you wish. So our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and as always, stay safe, be well, and wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.